long before man reached the remote island of Iceland. A land of ancient ice caves, sprawling glaciers and pristine water. A massive volcanic eruption occurred, creating the Ulfus Spring, a majestic underground spring deep below the Earth's surface. For 5,000 years, water has filtered slowly through layers of lava rock, creating exceptionally pure and naturally alkaline water with the perfect mineral balance. Clean, crisp, and untouched. Discover Iceland's greatest natural resource. Icelandic Glacier.